Introducing ZZANEST Elements 75XT. Inspired by the four classical Greek elements of nature, fire, air, earth, and water. It comes with various colors suited for the different elements. Designed with a 75% layout and full 6063 aluminum body, installed with pre-lubed built-in stabilizers and JWIC black linear switches, this will definitely bring your typing experience to the next revolutionary level. Featuring a gasket-mounted design that allows you to remove the casing with ease, equipped with QMK function and VIA key map configurations together with macro keys, allows for different key combinations to be set, according to your unique style and preference. Using the included USB Type-C cable, enhance your typing experience with a 1000 Hz polling rate. Built in with sound-absorbing foam, allowing for a satisfactory sound and feel when typing. The 6-degree typing angle, built-in RGB lighting effects, and hot swappable function allows the change in mood whenever you feel like. Specifically designed for a revolutionary and personalized experience.